How to cancel Spotify Premium. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. Today I am here to show you how you can cancel your Spotify Premium. Now to get started, first thing you gotta do is close your Spotify app and go to any browser you have. Here go to the Spotify website by typing spotify.com. Log in into your account if you haven't already logged in. Now after logging in, tap on Account Overview and you will be appeared to this homepage. Now scroll down and in the subscription, click on the option Manage Your Plan. Now you just have to click on the Change Plan option. A new homepage will be appeared on screen from which you have to scroll down and under the available plans you can see the option Cancel Plan. Finally, all you gotta do is click on the Cancel Plan option and that will cancel the subscription on your Spotify account. And that's it. This wraps up for the tutorial on how we can cancel Spotify Premium. I hope you guys understood this video. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more tech tips. We'll see you on next video. Till then, stay tuned.